If you're tired of carrying around a bulky laptop that has a not so great battery, or your phone is just too small and love to do social media, watch Netflix, browse, do all that stuff, you're absolutely gonna love an iPad. So this is the iPad that I just got. This is the 11, which I really, really like. So this is 11 inches. So it has the A16 chip inside, which is great. You have the front and back camera. You have a Touch ID. This could last, the battery could last all day, which is absolutely amazing. So you'll see that's where the camera is right over there. You have right here, this is Touch ID, and this is how you're going to turn on and off. And then you also have the volume up and volume down button. This could just scroll across just like that. You wanted to turn it this way, you could do that as well. Really, really like this a lot. You could draw on this. You could take video. You could do FaceTime on this. This is great for FaceTime. You don't have to see that little small picture on your phone. You literally see a bigger picture. I am a content creator, so I do a lot of editing. So for me, it's much easier for me to edit on this than it is on my phone. So I really like this. I got the 256 GB and I got the silver color right here. I don't know. I like the classic of it. Super, super light, which I also like. Just loves how that goes back and forth like that. It has the Retina display. Watching Netflix or anything on this, it looks amazing. Better than a TV, better than a laptop. They absolutely nailed it with this, and the sound is also great. So if you're looking for a great tablet, don't want to carry around a laptop, a bulky laptop, and a small screen, definitely check this out. Absolutely love this thing.